Hi! In today's video I want to explain how Cardano makes use of proof of stake to achieve consensus in the network, and how participation is incentivized in order to make a robust and decentralized blockchain. Cardano uses a peer review protocol called Ouroborus. It is the first of its kind, and it securely guarantees that the blockchain is secure while requiring minimum energy in the process. As you probably already know, blockchain solves the problem of transmitting something inside an environment where neither the channels nor the individuals can be trusted. It solves the problem under the simple assumption that if the network is sufficiently large, the majority of the individuals will behave correctly, and the channel is redundantly secure in a way that the cost-reward ratio makes it not worth it to attack the channels. But how do you attract sufficient participation? Enter incentives and rewards. By rewarding people for participating in the network, an incentive is created. Bitcoin, for example, uses proof of work, better known as mining. Miners compete to solve a mathematical problem whose difficulty gets adjusted depending on how easily or difficult the previous one was solved. This leads to massive waste of energy as competition has gone brutal over the years. As of today, the total energy spent on mining is greater to that of many countries in the world. Cardano uses proof of stake, a different type of approach. Instead of having miners competing to solve a hash problem, Cardano has stake pool operators that run Cardano nodes, and proportionally to their stake, to the amount of stake that they have, they receive rewards if they are selected by the network to mine the block. You can simply picture this as a lottery in which stake pool operators receive more tickets the more amount of ADA they have. One of the cool things about the system is that it introduces the concept of stake delegation and hence delegators. Suddenly, every ADA holder can take part on securing the network and profiting from it. As a delegator, you can pick a pool of your liking, delegate to it, and the total amount of ADA of the pool will be enhanced, having greater chances of minting blocks and producing rewards. Rewards that get automatically distributed amongst the pool delegators. You're probably wondering right now, what does it mean for me? How can I become a delegator? Yeah, that's an easy one. After purchasing your ADA from an exchange, let's say Binance or Kraken, you need to transfer it to a Cardano wallet, Daedalus or Yoroi. This way, you can keep your ADA safe, under your control, and access the delegation center. Please check the video on how to delegate your ADA for detailed steps about the process. In the delegation center, you can search for pools of your like and delegate to them in a few clicks. Many people with whom I've been talking lately had some doubts about the staking process. I have collected some of them and I wanted to explain them a little bit. Do I need a minimum amount of ADA to stake? The answer is no. The only thing that you need to take into account is that the first time you delegate with your wallet, a fee of 2 ADA, simply 2 ADA, is subtracted. Then you can change delegation to other pools of your liking whenever you like without additional cost. You can as well get stop delegating and no further fees will be charged for you. And you can stop delegating at any moment that you like. Are some pools producing more rewards than others? Not really. The system is designed so that the normal distribution follows inside the 5 to 6% annual returns. Of course, this is considering pools which fees are from a range to 0 to 5% that are not oversaturated and regularly produce blocks because they have enough stake to produce them. If you have any doubts about pool saturation on K parameter, please check the video on K parameter and pool saturation in the channel. Do I need to transfer my ADA to someone in order to delegate? No, and it is very important, and I cannot stress this enough. It is important to keep your ADA under your control and never send it to anyone else. There's a lot of scams in the system. There's a lot of groups created just for the purpose of trying to scam people, with the purpose of saying, yeah, send me your ADA, you will get double of it. I will help you delegate. Just send me your ADA, you will get the rewards. No, please never do that. Can I delegate to multiple pools? Sadly, not yet. It is a feature greatly requested by stake pool operators, and Cardano Foundation, and IOSK, and the Daedalus team is looking forward into incorporating it. But at the time, this is not possible. You can only delegate to one pool with one wallet. If you want to delegate to multiple pools, you will have to need multiple wallets. When do I get rewards? Yeah, this is regarding the reward and distribution system. So rewards are distributed in epochs. If you start delegating today, 2 epochs from now, which is 10 days, 1 epoch is 5 days, your ADA will start contributing to the pool. 2 epochs later, so it's in total 20 days, you will start getting your rewards. I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you have any more questions, please let me know. Post them in the comments and I will answer them. As you probably already know, this video is brought to you by Mine Hamburger pool, which is one of the pools in the system. You can find it in the Delegation Center under the ticker Mine. Thank you.